Hey there, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to use PayPal to send money internationally with automatic conversion for different currencies. So whether you have an account in a different country or want to send funds to an account with a different international currency, I'll show you guys a step-by-step process right here. So first things first, make sure to sign in with your PayPal account. I'm currently using a PayPal business account, but the steps I'm going to show you today can be applicable to both a individual or business account. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard, then look for the Pay and Get Paid section located on the upper right side of the page. Then click on Balance and continue. Once you're in the Balance section, consider adding the currency you'll be making the payments in. To add your preferred currency, click on Add Currency. For example, if you're sending different currencies of different kinds, make sure to add them here and click Done once you're happy with all the currencies that you have. So your chosen currencies should appear in your balance. Feel free to close this currency tab, and do note that I'd recommend to keep track of the current exchange rates and costs. Then, to navigate to the Send and Request section, let's focus on Send. Then click on Send a Payment and enter the recipient's details, like their name, username, email, or mobile number. The currency that you're going to be sending in is displayed here, and the recipient's currency will be displayed on the other one there. You can see the currency and amount you're sending here, and you can see the approximate conversion rate here. This rate will include PayPal's currency conversion fee, and aware that this rate may fluctuate, which will affect the final amount you'll be paying and the recipient will be receiving. Make sure to double check the details whenever you do this before proceeding. You're also free to add a note with your payment. Then you'll be prompted to select your payment method and specify if it's for goods and services. You'll see a summary including PayPal's fee, the total amount, the delivery date, if applicable. PayPal's currency conversion is also there to help you save some money. Once you're happy with all the details that you reviewed, go ahead and click on Send Money once you're done. Once you've sent out your payment, go ahead to your Activity section to review all your transactions. Double check that the payment status will read as completed. You'll also receive an email confirmation from PayPal that your transaction was successfully completed. And that's all we have for today's video of sending money internationally using PayPal. Feel free to leave a comment down below for any questions or inquiries you may have. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thanks so much again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.